I'm sure someone will know just exactly what it takes to get you back feeling fine. Well, come away with me, my little little boy. I wanna be your little mama for a while. If you stay, you see, I can bring you lots of joy. Those little teardrops to a smile. By now, what I've been trying so hard to say. Well, my little boy, I'm afraid you're up too tight. But you take it slow, and somehow you come meandering out my way. And I'll take it in my arms and make it right. Joy, I can turn those little teardrops to a smile.